everyone. Today I am going to start the topic simplification. So, before starting, I would like to make you introduce on the formula of the dividend. Dividend equals to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So many of you will be thinking that why we are doing the multiplication first and plus addition afterwards. You can also think that plus can be done first and multiplication can be done afterwards, but that's totally wrong. I will make you understand why. It will be done through a process DMAS. DMAS. It's a process. Don't worry, it's not a large process, but I will make you understand simply. Like D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. It will be in sequential order, like first D will happen, then M, then A, and then S. Let's do it with an example. Like we have an equation 12 plus 9 divided by 3. In this equation we have to find the quotient at first. So going through this process we have to find that what we will do first, addition or division. First we have got D for division, so this will be the quotient. Division will do it first. Next step we'll do 12 plus 9 divided by 3 is 3, and the answer would be 15. I hope you understood the process. I will do with the next example. Let's take a large equation like 105 into 14 divided by 7 plus 6 minus 1. In this equation we are having multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So in this we have to find what we have to do first. Again we have to find the quotient from this equation. Like as we know that division would always come first through DMAS process. So this will be the quotient. Like now in the next step we have to do 105 into this to 14 divided by 7, which will be 2 plus 6 minus 1. Again in this step we have to find the quotient. Like D is done, division is done, next will come the multiplication, means this will be the quotient, multiplication. 105 into 2, which will be 210 plus 6 minus 1. In this step again we have to find the quotient, which will be in this DMA and S. A is the next step, means addition, so this will be the quotient, addition. Next step we'll do the addition, 216 minus 1, and the final answer will be 215. I hope you understood it. Let us take another example as 17 plus 34 divided by 17 into 5 minus 20. So in this equation what we have to do at first, we have to find the quotient. Again, as D, M, A and S, D is the first, that means we have to find the quotient on the divisor. This division effect, it will be the quotient. So on the next step, we'll do as 17 plus 34 divided by 17 is 2 into 5 minus 20. This step, again we have to find the quotient, which will be the multiplication as D, M, A and S. On the next step, so this will be the quotient. Now this will be 17 plus 5 into 2 is 10 minus 20. Again on this step, we have to find the quotient. So next step will be the addition. So this will be the quotient. And in the next step, 27 minus 20. And the final answer is 27 minus 20 is 7. I hope this is clear to you. Now, moving on to the next step, I would like to make you the simplifications of the brackets. So, in brackets position, we have to know something very special, that in bracket, first we get the bars, then the small brackets, then curly brackets, and then finally the big brackets. Here we have to simply follow the rule BODMAS. Earlier we have learned about DMAS, which is division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. But now BO is added, which means bracket of. One thing we have to know here especially, that in absence of any sign before a bracket, we take sign as multiplication. Like on the previous, as we have seen that we have finally found out the quotient in these two. But in case we get a small bracket here and we don't get any sign before it, so we will take it as multiplication. Now let's solve with it a equation. 12 minus 20 divided by 8 minus 2, 9 minus 5 minus 2, and we will put the brackets. Continuing with this, we will check from here what is coming first. First the bars will come, then small brackets, then curly brackets, and at last we will check for the big brackets. But here we couldn't see any bars, so the bars are extended in this equation. First we'll check the small bars. The small bars are 9 minus 5 and minus 2. So first we'll solve especially this portion. Next we will do 12 minus 20 divided by 8 minus 2, and here it is 9 minus 5 minus 2, which is 9 minus 5, 4, 4 minus 2, 2, and it will be in bracket 2. Next step, as I have told you that before any bracket, if there is no sign, we will take it as multiplication. and in next step we will solve that. 12 minus first bracket 20 divided 8 minus we'll do as 2 into 2, which is 4. 8 minus 4. Next step we'll check which bracket is coming, which is curly bracket, means 8 minus 4, which is, and the next step we'll solve this portion. 12 minus 20 divided by 4, and we'll put the brackets. Next step we'll check the final brackets, which is the big brackets, and here the big brackets are in 20 divided by 4. So in the next step we will solve that 12 minus 20 divided by 4 is 5, and the final equation we have got is 12 minus 5, which is 7. So that's the final answer. I hope you all got it, and please try to solve the other equations like this. If you face any problem, you can let me know. Thank you.